Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you, what do you think I'm going to show you? Dialog boxes. So there are three different dialog boxes. There's an alert dialog box, a confirmation, and a prompt dialog box. In a separate video, I covered the prompt one because it allows you to get some input from the user, and we just sort of needed that earlier on. So I'll actually ignore that one, and I'll just focus on the alert and confirmation. So let's just quickly add some element. I'm just gonna say click me, and so on click I'm gonna say hello click, and I'm gonna create a function called hello click. Okay, so a regular alert, you just put the keyword alert and you put some text in here what you want to alert the user. You can say stop clicking me, save that, refresh, click it, it says stop clicking me, and it says we can click OK, and we can't do anything else on the page at all till we've dealt with that alert. So that's fantastic. If the user's done something, it might be right or wrong, but you just want to get the focus, prevent them from doing anything else, and make sure that they are aware of some information. The next type of alert, and I'll duplicate this method, and I'll call this confirm click, and this will just be alert. I'll rename it just to alert, and I'll actually rename this as well, to be fair. Alert. Confirm. Okay, so the confirmation dialog box is slightly different, and the way you do it is confirm, and you say, are you Batman? And if I reload, obviously the original one still works, and as you see I can't do anything, but if I click this one, this actually gives me a choice. So if you're, again, I can't do anything on the page till I've dealt with this dialog box, and it's saying, are you Batman? You have some sort of question, and you say yes or no, or okay or cancel. Okay, you might be thinking, how do we actually get the result of that? It's actually really simple. When this is initiated, this will return some sort of result. So if we do var and say value equals this, and let's print this, so console.log value. Let's reload, click confirm, click cancel, go to the console. It says false. Let me show you again. So if I click confirm, okay, or confirm, okay, still true, confirm, cancel, we get false. And honestly, that's it. What I want you to do as a extra task is do some sort of conditional statement, check in the value whether it's true or false, and as a result, do something. Instead of just printing out true or false, print out saying, well, you are Batman, come to our party, or no, you're not Batman, go home. Something along those lines. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.